real geolocation data. It's a great party trick for demos, and sometimes it's critical for application testing. But how do you do it without picking out 10 random events off of Google Maps and reusing the same things over and over again? I'm going to show you how ShadowTraffic has this functionality built in. Here I already have ShadowTraffic running. It's funneling data into Postgres and then into Grafana and onto this heat map. And you can actually see it plotting out real addresses over here. I'm going to pick out one of these randomly, if I can lock onto it. And I'm going to look up this random address. I've never seen this address before. It looks like it's 3610 North Houston, somewhere in Fort Worth. And if I look it up, it looks like a house. It's a real place on Google Maps. And that would be true for anything else that I picked off the map. I want to show you how this works. This is just like any other function in ShadowTraffic, but it has some special indexing going on under the hood to get the right data set and clean it up in the right way. So if I go and I grab the file, this is probably the simplest ShadowTraffic file that I've ever shown you. There's a single function called geolocation. You give it a country, and then you can optionally narrow it down by state, zip code, city, other things like that, and you can tell it the format that you want. And so you can get back, in this case, I'm grabbing the actual address string, which is what we saw, and also the coordinates as well. And I'm putting all of that into Postgres. So the latitude, longitude, address, and I'm just adding a new one every 50 milliseconds. And away it goes. There's a little bit of additional configuration to make it work, but you could treat it just like any other function. And if I start to drill into this data, you could see, indeed, there's the latitude and longitude, and you go and actually see the data itself. It gives you the full display. Yeah, hopefully this helps. This is a great way to build really killer demo, so hopefully it helps you next time you need it.